Well, it's 9 p.m. I have a cold. There's a train going by outside, and Becky's making me film a video. So welcome, everybody. I'm Blake. This is Cleveland Tool. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about a new product and a new project that I've been working on. So how this all started is that I kind of realized at some point that folks are getting, you're all excited to start your new airplane build, and you get this big old kit of tools, and the first thing that you have to do is unpack all of these things and then figure out where you're going to put them. And so I sort of started out on this quest to make a whole bunch of organizers and hopefully have a solution to that problem for people to make that part of your build go a little bit smoother and easier. So I wanted to show those off. The way that this works is we've got a whole bunch of different organizers that are all designed to fit like a glove to the tools that we have. And in some cases, we can provide a little bit of extra functionality like this, our rivet gun caddy that provides a spot for a tungsten bucking bar and your 401 rivet sets and can keep your rivet gun right there. And it's all strong enough that you can just pick it up, take it to wherever you're working, and work on that. This whole system is designed around this grid that we have. So this is very similar to, but not compatible with, the Gridfinity system, for those of you that are in the 3D printing world that have heard of that. But the idea is that you print this grid. It's a 50 millimeter grid. It goes down and it can go into the bottom of your toolbox, or if you've got, I use these Harbor Freight plastic cases. And that provides the base for you to be able to take all of your different tool organizers, and they just drop right on, and that keeps them where you put them, and you can organize things very tightly once you've got that system in place. The bottom of these tools does have a 25 millimeter square feature on it, so it actually can go directly in the grid, or you can go in either direction to the half location. That just gives you a little bit more ability to move things around. So the way that we're handling this kit on our website is we've put all of this together into a digital download package. And that package is a one-time purchase. So if you have a 3D printer, if you have access to a 3D printer, if you've got a buddy with a 3D printer, you can download all of these files. You get lifetime access to the files. And then additionally, when we add more items to this package, and we are adding more items all the time, you get those items as well. So you're not locked into just these. It is something that we're continually adding to. So that's a one-time purchase, lifetime access for this and any future models. So we think it's a pretty good deal if you're able to print things for yourself. And if you don't have a 3D printer, or you want us to do the printing for you, we offer that as well. So some of these items are on the website, and more are coming as my time and demand allows. So let's just do a real quick tour of some of the things that we have. First up, we've got we've already talked about this a little bit, but first up, we've got a rivet gun organizer. So it's got a spot that holds your rivet gun. This will be compatible with a 2X or a 3X rivet gun. This is one of the ones that we sell, but as far as I know, I believe it should work with other brands as well. We've also got a spot here for our tungsten bucking bar, and then 4 spots for the 401 sets that you use in the rivet gun. So that can be any variety of things. And I also I had a little extra real estate, so it threw a few extra holes there just because you're going to have drill bits and dimple dies and stuff like that you need to throw in there from time to time. Next up, we've got 2 of our Nova pneumatic tools. We've got the pneumatic drill and also the Cleco pistol, or the Cleco tool that's pneumatic as well. Those are fairly simple organizers, so they just have a cradle for those tools. We've also got This is a real quick, this was actually a wall mount, so a little bit of a departure from the grid system that we've got. But this is a cradle that holds the handset from the pneumatics rivet squeezer. Solves the problem having to figure out, where to put down this thing that's connected to a long hose. And so this is just can be screwed into the walls, and then it gives you either direction. You can drop the handset from that in. We've also got dimple die holders in 2 different sizes. So this is a small dimple die holder, and then I heard some call to make a much bigger one. So we've done that, and that is available as part of this package as well. Our countersink caddy has space for 10 countersinks and a little label plate as well. So that keeps these somewhat delicate tools with sharp little edges, keeps them protected and safe and all in one place. This package includes our gap gauge. So this is used for setting up a rivet squeezer with all the different, so if you've got number 3 or number 4 rivets, there's different gap sets that you need to properly set that rivet. And this gives you a quick way to set that without having to bust out the measuring tools. Cleco organizers. So this is a Cleco organizer that'll hold 12 Clecos in a position where you can just get under them with the pliers and pull them out. And we've also got a much larger Cleco organizer version. This one has space for however many Clecos that is, plus a spot for your Cleco pliers to go in just like that. Anyway, thanks for watching. We appreciate it. You can find all of these tools at clevelandtool.com.